will demonstrate proactive quality behavior in our operations and do things right even when no one is watching. Finally, we pledge to achieve high standards in product quality and safety through personal integrity, transparency and ethical practices, and to deliver quality medicines.
At a time, and that was supposed to be entry coated product, and all 17 batches failed. So much loss to the company. See, there was a tech transfer means only in those days. Tech transfer means only what was the formula. This is the formula for this much where these are the quantities. Nothing else was written. And this production manager, he understood in his own way so much loss, and it was a very expensive API and very important drug. Secondly, and one company was manufacturing calcium and vitamin D serum. Sounds very simple formulation. Of course, you are all into external, but I know some of you at some time must have worked in the liquid oral or solid orals also. So, calcium and vitamin D3 serum, and they were also having calcium and vitamin D3 tablet formulation. So, they were adding D3 because overages are permitted in vitamin, they were adding 200%. So, 100% overage, 100% claim, 200%. So, when the tablets were tested in the final product, they could get 185 to 190% in tablets. No issues. Okay. But in syrup, it is to be hardly 4 to 5%. Can anybody guess what is the reason? They are adding, not that they are not adding, they are adding 200%, but when you test the finished product, it is only 4 to 5%. And then what the chemist was doing, see, we are adding 200%. I have myself weighed and given, so it cannot be less. So they would adjust the readings and say that it is 190%, 185% and release the batches.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.